Most founders pay $20 a month for Claude and use it to write emails. That's like hiring a Michelin star chef and only asking him to make a sandwich. I've worked with AI software founders 7 days a week, and every single one of them treats Claude like an entire ecosystem, not just a fancy search or chatbot. In this video, I'm gonna show you my top 10 Claude features that will multiply your productivity and save you a lot of time, so you can focus on your business growth instead of manual routine. Alright, let's get into it. Before I tell you about the first feature, let's do one thing. If you've just created an account or you already have one, go to your settings and disable Help Improve Claude. Click on your name, go to the settings, privacy, and disable the toggle. This way, your data will never be used for training the LLM. Alright, now let's start with number 1, which is Claude Memory. If you're moving away from ChatGPT, which you should have already done, use this hack to migrate your history and preferences. Go to Settings, Capabilities, click Start Import. Claude will give you a prompt. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. It will give you everything it knows about you. Take that output, copy it, and paste it into Claude. Click Add Memory, you're done. Now Claude knows who you are, what communication style you prefer, what your goals are, and what you struggle with. You don't have to start everything over from scratch. Use memory in Claude to say goodbye to ChatGPT. If you want to become more productive, you have to use Claude Skills. Skills are complex instructions for repeatable actions and tasks. The mistake everyone makes is writing the same instruction every single time for a task they've already done before. Here's my flywheel. Every time I write a long prompt and Claude gives me a result, I ask myself, will I do this again? If yes, I type exactly this into Claude. Based on my prompt and the output you gave me, write a precise Claude skill. And then I add, review the skills you produced and compare if everything is accurate and matches the desired output. This applies to writing documents, reviewing contracts, checking someone else's work, basically any task, any workflow that can have a step-by-step instruction must be turned into a Claude skill. Now, I want you to write down the most time-consuming, boring tasks that you would turn into a Claude skill. What is it going to be? Let me know in the comments. One more thing. You can download your skills and share them with your employees or teammates. That's what I do in my company. You can share the skill instead of teaching someone how to do something. And you can also download skills that other people created from their public GitHub repositories. The concept of skills is wild. You could even use scripts from Loom or YouTube scripts and turn them into skills as well. Alright, that's enough for skills. Let's talk about the next one, artifacts. You no longer need Word or Excel now that you have Claude Artifacts. These are different document types that display on the right side of the interface. Just prompt your edits and export them into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or other formats. And yes, it also works in Google Docs, Sheets, and Google Slides. But here's a better use case. You can use Claude to build mini apps and use them as artifacts as well. You no longer need developers to build a proof of concept to show it to your team. Artifacts in Claude, in my opinion, is the best tool for founders and product people when they need to show a concept to stakeholders or developers. No Lovable or Cursor subscriptions, no local server setup, just type what you want and Claude will build you an app in the artifact. Here's my personal hack. I use Whisperflow to type using my voice, which helps me write 3x faster. That's how you become extremely productive. Check it out. I personally use their free plan and it works just perfect. Are you ready for the next one? Number 4, projects. You need to use Claude projects for different areas of your work and operations. Think of it like breaking down your company into different departments. Treat them like separate folders with chats. All projects have access to your Claude skills, but here's something that other tools don't have. Every project has their own knowledge database. Written instructions, files, meeting scripts, anything important for that project lives there. A project can be a client engagement, marketing content for your brand, personal finance planning, or even a specific deal with a customer. Even if you start a Claude chat outside of a project, you can always move it in. Same with artifacts. Whenever you create something useful, add it to the right project. This way you keep different topics separate and you have your workflow powered by your files and your documents in a knowledge base. Number 5. Claude Connectors. Connectors in Claude is one of my favorite productivity features. It allows you to interact with all the apps you use daily, Gmail or Outlook, Google Drive or SharePoint, your calendar, and many different tools like HubSpot CRM, Slack, Granola, Zoom, and many more. There's also an official connectors directory in Claude, accessible through your web or desktop app. Go to Customize, Connectors, click the plus button, browse connectors, and sync the apps you use every day. Here are some hacks that I use. With the Gmail connector, you can prompt Claude to search your inbox and find context for different tasks. Every time my inbox gets flooded, I ask Claude to check what's important and needs my response, what I just need to pay attention to a thread, and what can be just deleted. This saves me hours every week, and I don't need to hire a virtual assistant for it. Claude becomes my virtual assistant at just $20 a month. Here's another example. Claude connects to your calendar. Whenever I need to plan my day, I write everything down just on a piece of paper, take a photo, and then send it to Claude. I prompt it to break down my handwritten notes into a list of tasks and find the best time for execution. Claude knows that my best productivity window is from 7 a.m. until 11 a.m., so it puts high priority items there and less important ones in the afternoon. So just to summarize, Claude connectors let you communicate with your apps and execute tasks through Claude chat interface without even logging into any of those apps. Alright, let's move to the next one. Number 6. Claude in Chrome. Here's a little Claude feature that most people don't know about. You can install Claude extension in Chrome and let it become your browser copilot. Claude can then do different tasks directly in Chrome. I recommend using it for Google Sheets, web scraping, and research. Here's what's also possible. You can record a video and literally show and tell Claude how to complete a task in the browser. This is one of the most underrated Claude features. It just works in another browser tab while it's open. It also lets you switch between models. Haiku for simpler tasks, Sonnet for more advanced, and Opus for complex stuff. Smart way to save your tokens. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you think. The next feature is probably my favorite. Claude Voice Mode is a game changer for those who hate typing. Available on both desktop and mobile. Just click the waveform button and start talking. Remember, it's a waveform, it's not a microphone icon. Once you hit it, you can start talking. Your chats get fully transcribed, everything you say and everything Claude responds is available in text. Here's why it matters. After 30 minutes of brainstorming in voice mode, switch back to text and ask Claude to produce an MD file artifact, then save it to your project and use it as a part of your knowledge base. I personally love brainstorming on the go. In the morning, I walk to my gym, it takes me 15 minutes, and I often spend my time talking to Claude just using my headphones. To everyone around, I just look like a guy on the phone. If you're like me, go check the voice mode on your desktop or mobile right now. And we're getting to the next one, Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork is an agent that works locally on your machine and executes a wide range of actions. It can sort your files, clean up your desktop, and work inside any application you give it access to. Any manual task that can be documented as an instruction can be delegated to Claude Cowork. The more precise the instruction, the faster you get the outcome. Here's my favorite feature, scheduled tasks. This is something that ChatGPT recently copied from them. You can schedule a task that happens once or on a recurrent basis at a specific time. So here's one of my use cases. I message someone on Slack and then ask Cowork if this person doesn't respond by 3 p.m., send a follow-up. I do the same for important emails. It's way better than dumb scheduling in Slack or Gmail because if someone responds and then gets your scheduled message anyway, that looks a little awkward. You can also schedule Cowork to go to your inbox every morning and bring you a digest, or even draft responses to important emails. One more thing. Claude allows you to control Cowork from your phone using the dispatch feature. Go to your Claude desktop app, switch to Cowork, click dispatch and connect your phone. Now you have a remote control in your hand that can run Cowork on your computer from anywhere. Number 9. Claude Code. Claude Code is a separate product in Claude available through web, desktop and mobile apps. Think of it as a senior engineer that costs 10 to 20x less than a real engineer per hour. It can build products for you like a real software development professional, and you don't even need to look at the code. Just explain what you want and Claude Code builds your application. It literally sets up a local server on your machine and you don't even need to do anything. Chat on the left, see the results on the right. For me, as I'm not an engineer, it's ideal for web apps and websites. You can also connect it to your GitHub account and push the code to the repository if you're working with your team. If you're curious about Claude Code, I'll leave a link to the official guide in the description. Number 10. Claude Design. Claude Design is a new product that Anthropic recently released. When I vibe code something in Claude Code, I want to improve the design because I'm not a designer and Claude Code isn't a great designer by default. Claude Design is available to all Pro, Max, and Team subscribers. Many people say it's going to kill Figma. Here's how you start using Claude Design. If you already have a project in Figma, import your Figma file and create a design system, so your new designs in Claude will look exactly like your Figma. I use it extensively for clients' projects, which helps us deliver designs 10x faster. Because it builds design systems, it always keeps consistency, and that's why it's way better than Claude Code for design work. My honest take? I recommend that every UI UX designer learns how to use Claude Design. Once you've done a prototype, you can hand it over to Claude and then it will continue from there. In my company, we no longer spend time on Figma prototypes. We just do everything in Claude Design, which is way faster. And it's not just for prototyping. It's great for presentations and pitch decks too. Give it your website link and Claude Design will produce decks that exactly match your style. Alright, that's my top 10 Claude features. I do recommend that you use them daily to become extremely productive and do more in less time. Let me know in the comments, which of these 10 features are you already using? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit like and subscribe. I post videos on this channel every 2 weeks, and we also have a podcast with software founders. Check it out if you're into podcasts. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.